Hey there, fellow Apple enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling a common query: how to add a co-owner to your Apple Card. Whether you're sharing it with a spouse, family member, or trusted partner, this feature can help you manage finances more collaboratively. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure both you and the person you want to add as a co-owner have Apple accounts and are set up with the Wallet app on your iPhones. This is crucial because the Apple Card is tied to your Apple ID. Once that's sorted, grab your iPhone and open the Wallet app. It's that green icon with a wallet on it. Next, tap on your Apple Card in the wallet. You'll see a screen with your card details. Look for the People or Family section, usually at the bottom or in the menu. If you don't see it right away, swipe up or tap the three dots for more options. Here, you'll find an option to Add Co-owner or Invite someone. Select that, and you'll be prompted to enter their name or email associated with their Apple ID. Apple will then send an invitation to that person via their Apple device. They need to accept it through their own Wallet app. Make sure they have notifications enabled. Once they accept, you'll both get a confirmation, and the co-owner will be added. Remember, as co-owners, you'll share the credit line and responsibilities, so communicate openly about spending. One quick tip: if you run into any issues, like the invitation not going through, double-check that you're both on the latest iOS version. It's always a good idea to update your software to avoid glitches. And there you have it. That's how you add a co-owner to your Apple Card in just a few simple steps. This can be a game changer for joint finances, but use it wisely. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.